Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley once again from Kingspark Design. You're welcome to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, please encourage me by actually hitting on the red button here, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new video I actually upload. Alright, in today's tutorial on my blogging section, I'll be going to show you something here now. I'll like to show you something about our team entirely. Like you can see on my own site now, you can see I have some division of my items. So now you can see here I have this particular section has to do with, I title them as tutorials. Then coming down, you are seeing I'm having some labels here. I'm having music. If I click on here, I'm having another one. Click on here and having another one. So if I should scroll down again, I'm having videos here. So yeah, I'm having it as celebrity gist. I'm having here as movies. So having here, okay, celebrity gist here, amable gist here. So just want to show you how to set up your site so that it looks like this. That's your whole division, so that every of your items have their own categories on your blog. So this is what we'll be doing today. We're almost coming to an end to this particular blogging section, so I just want to try to see how to round up everything in maybe 2 to 3 or 4 videos from now. Okay, now let me just go real quick to the tutorials. I'm going to be coming to my layout. We'll be working on layouts this time around. You come to layout, there are so many things you can do to this layout, just for you to on your own try to visualize everything. So now we'll be coming to layout now. Okay, I'll be leaving a link to this particular documentation. And this documentation will guide you on how to do all the whole work down, how the codings you need to insert is going to guide you on everything. Like these are for the social sheet, so you can actually go through them. Okay, this I guess I've showed you how to work on this. Now coming to now, this is where we'll be working on now. I'll be showing you some little things here now. Okay, let me just start from here. How to add your recent posts here, just as we are having it on mine here now. You can see I'm having like news trigger here. It changes with time. Okay, let's go back to our news trigger. This is where it's supposed to be. Then you just click on edit on your blog, edit on it. Then you can see on default it is as recent, so you can actually leave. I'm going to still leave it like this as recent post. And what number of posts, how many do I want to be it to be changing? So you just enter it yourself here. Now let me say I want like my most recent 7 posts is going to be here. What should be the title? You enter the title here. Let me say I need it as breaking news. You can actually just leave it that way, breaking news. Then just this place, leave it as the data type, leave it as recent. If you want it to pick only your recent post, the post is going to be this way. If you want any particular label, you enter the name of the label here. So I'm going to leave mine as recent and save this. Then coming down to now, go down, let me go back to here. Okay, now coming to our labels and tags. Now I want to specify which of the label I want it to go there and how do I want it to look like. So this is what we'll be doing now in this section. Let me show you now. Okay, label tag. Okay, for example, if I need it to be like this. That's for my slide. The first for the slide side is going to be this way. You get me? For my slide is going to be this way. But that's for the main feature post. That's this particular section. If you let me show you from my blog, this first section you always see here, this first section here. So how do you edit that? This is just the, you can just come copy. Let me copy this. Now go back to my settings on my blog, then I'll be having that slider widget. Edit it here. Okay, the text is already there for you, so it's just for you to now enter the type you want. Like now the type, okay, I'm going to leave. Let me see what I copied from the previous side. Okay, it's the same thing I copied actually, but now this time around I don't want it to be, maybe I need a particular label for it there. Let me say, okay, I'm coming back to my post now. Let me come back to my post. Let me open any post. Yeah, I need to open a post. I need to get a sample of what I'm going to be using. So let me just open a post and I need to get some labels, links to some labels. So I need one that has almost all the whole labels. Here's unisex. Okay, let me try this. No, okay, let me try this. So once it opens, I want it to pick the label so that I'll insert the label in that particular section I want to add. Sorry, it's not, I did not click on it. Okay, you can now see this is actually the post, and these are the several tags. So now I'm going to copy the tags for this. I have female, so this tag is female. So I'll come back to my where I was editing. Let me say I want the tag I want here to appear. On my own, I'm having it as female on the one we are using. So yours might be, you might want only music, but that's your slide, the main slider. You want only music to show. But now I want on this side, now I want it to be unisex. I need only the unisex to show on this particular side. Then click on OK. How many posts do I want at it for it to be sliding? Let me say 5. It should be okay. Then click on save. Once you've done that, I'll come back here again. On this side now is our future post. Let me go back now. The one we just did is this particular side. Don't worry, it's not displaying now, but this is where the one we just finished. Now this is the part. Now on the featured post is this side, this section. Our slider is here, which we just finished. The featured part is this section. So coming back to the featured part on this side, you now click on this, click on it. Now on the featured part here, okay, is the first as default. It is any of our recent posts. That's what goes there. I'm going to still leave it as featured. Then on this one, let me change the title here. Let me leave it has unisex. You can actually leave it blank if you want, but let me just leave it as unisex. Then save it. Then come back to this side. Now you can see I'm having, let me create another one here. Food. I don't want food. Let me say I want this to be male, or shoes. don't forget, I'm using my labels. I'm actually making use of labels. I'm not just picking these things and inserting just like that. I'm making use of my labels. You can see shoes. So I'm coming, I inserted on the label section, I inserted shoes. Then how many posts do I want at a time? I need 4 on that particular side. So I'm just going to save, then come back here. Let me preview the blog so that you'll be seeing what I did. Okay, I've not yet edited this side also. I'll come back to where I have shoe here. So here too should be shoes. Then save. So now let me preview this blog and show you what we'll be having now on our blog. So after doing this, you can see when it loads, the recent post comes here. Our slider, it will change. It's going to change once network is okay. Once it's finished loading, it's going to start displaying. Now on this side, now you can now see we're now having, sorry, okay, you can see now on this side we've edited. Now we're now having here as shoes. You having here as shoes the way it is on mine. I think from now we are now getting a look of how my blog actually looks like, isn't it? So we are having shoes here. Okay, we're not having some tabs here. You can add another one to this particular layer before this, your choice, but I still want to maintain this look of this place. So now let me show you how to fix in this part. Now come back here. Now you're having this featured box 1, featured box 2, featured box. You can see this is where you add all those technology. You can see here you're having technology, news, video. This is where you get it, technology, news and video. That's box 1, featured box 1, 2, 3. So now you can come here. Now let me say on my own I want it to be, you can, based on your label, let me say this side I want it to be mail, then the type I'll still leave it as default. Then on this side, females. I'm trying to work with the, so just try to work with yours the way it comes. Make sure you use your labels. Your labels on your own are actually different from mine, so make sure you use your labels. So I'm saving them. Then on this side, let me leave it, I don't have much labels of my post right now. Let me leave it as unisex on this side, unisex, unisex. So now I'm going to, after that, okay, the next post one that full, okay, let me, since I've done that, let me refresh this page and show you what you'll be having. You see the changes on this particular site now. Okay, let's scroll up and see something. Okay, here is it. You can see the changes as actually reflected. We have males, females and unisex. So this is how it looks now, males, females and unisex. Let's see, go back to my blog, let me show you now. Do you now see what we have, how I did mine? Now let's now come back and show you what you have in male. When I click on female, it shows the ones for females and unisex. You see, that is how, sorry, this post was what I showed you yesterday. So this is how it was, this is how the whole stuff goes. So now coming down, let me just come down. You see recent, you can, now let's add some posts to this section as we have here, as we have on my own now, where I'm having some, immediately after this I'm having some order. So you can do the same thing. Just come here as after featured box 3, then you can start entering your featured list. Enter here. Let me assume this place should be unisex. I'm just working on my own. Sorry, I'm actually working on my own content, the way my content is. So make this unisex still, since that tab actually is for unisex. Then you can change the style if you don't want it this list. You can actually change the style. Come down here, there are several styles to use. Like now this, you can see there are several styles. You can see this has this. I don't want that. You can see, in case you want, okay, I want something like this. Okay, this is list style, which is okay. That's what I'm going to use on this section. You can just go on through. You can see data type, flow length. You see this, responsible for this. This one is for the left side. This left side here. Why? I mean, this one is for the right side here. Why this other one is for the left side here? So you just, I'll drop the link to this documentation that will guide you on how to do everything. Then for this grid, for that one I use in my video side, this is the type. This is the data type that will produce for you something like this. So don't forget, I'm going to leave a link to this particular I'm going to leave a link. Sorry, I'm going to leave a link to this particular guide on the description box below, and also if you're watching this from my blog, I'll leave it in the below the post, so that you just download it and preview it and start working on it. So now, okay, these are all the whole types, so you can select any of this and make use of it in your blog, your own settings. So now I'm going to leave them as, okay, I want that to be as tile list, and yeah, unisex. Okay, now come back to my blog again. Then let me make here as still need it as stylists. I still need the second one as stylist, and it should be that's, let's say here is female. Let me see, it still is female. Okay, we have here as unisex, here as female. Okay, now before this female, I'm going to show you another. You can actually add another one. Okay, that's for that left section. I was talking about the left section and the right section. So this is where you do it. You can actually add another one here if you wish. Like for example, let me add a gadget. You click on add gadget, then you're going to come and select HTML. This is what you select, HTML and JavaScript. Click on it, then this is what will come out. Okay, let me add male before that female. So click on this. I'm going to come here. I need it to be like this. So the data type, I'm going to copy this and come back to where and paste it here. Now on this side, I'm going to change the label to male. Now save my work. So now let me go back and refresh the blog and show you how everything we've done, how it has gone to now. Okay, now you can now see the new male I added. So you can actually add more gadgets and add so many features you want. So now having a male before, and actually drag them down and rearrange them. You see, you can drag. maybe I want the unisex to come first. Just drag it, arrange them, save your settings. Okay, I refreshed this block before, still leaving it as it was. Now you can see you have males. After this section we edited here, we have here has males, then another one has unisex, so you can keep on having several other ones. Okay, let me see, I don't want to make this video that long, so let me also show you this side, the left side. You already, the settings is already there. Now just okay, let me make this female still. You can see on mine it's just looking as if it's just repeating the same. That is just because of my post. I don't have enough labels, so you can, I believe you might have enough label on yours, so you can actually edit this better than I am doing here. So just males, then labels, I'm having it as males, then click on save. Now okay, let me leave this side as it is, then let me quickly do something here. You can actually set the amount of posts you want to actually display on your blog by coming here on edit. You can see where I clicked on the blog post, click on edit, then you can set the number of, that's on your recent item. You can actually come here, just come here, it's very easy. This place is easy to understand. So if you want to display the time when this post is being displayed, you can post by who. If you want it to post the person name, then what time do the person upload it. I don't need this, so I do away with it. Then you now come down. Yeah, I need, if there's comment, you should leave a comment. Links to this blog, okay, don't worry, to this post, okay, labels, okay, then reaction, should anybody try to react, okay, let me just leave it there. Now the share button, okay, let me still leave the share buttons. Also, I don't need location, I don't need to show the location. Then show author's profile, yeah, let me leave it to show author's profile. Okay, for now, at send, show ADAS between the posts. This might not work for yours now because you've not yet applied for ADS. Me right now, my blog, on this particular blog, I've already applied for ADS, so it's actually working. This is how it's going to, if I leave it, this is how it's going to show. So I'm going to, after doing this, is how the preview, how everything is going to look like. The date, post, just see how everything goes, is going to look like. Then you click on save. Now once I click on save, I save this particular item. So comment section, just play around, just look for, try to work on these things yourself and just complete everything on this site yourself. Maybe another that I'm going to show you how to work on these social icons. I'm going to show you how to do audios of this site. Okay, I don't want to make this video actually that long. Okay, let me just, for the last time, let me refresh this blog and show you how the left side I added and the right side, how everything is going to be working right now, because I added some things. Okay, unisex test page. Okay, it's going to come before. Okay, our recent post, you can see where I added new, where I'm having my females and males section separately. So I guess this video, you might have learned a lot from this video. So in case you've actually enjoyed this video and you have any difficulty anywhere, you can actually drop your comment at the comment box below or at the description I mean at the if you're watching this from my blog, comment in the comment box below. Also, if you're watching it on YouTube, do the same thing. And also, don't forget, for you, those of you joining me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hitting on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video. Until next time, thank you.